Looking to speed things up in your video? I'll show you how in this video with Lumafusion. Let's go. First thing up, get it out of the way. So you need to speed things up, okay? If you can cut it out, can you do it? Did it add to the story? Speed things up is just one way of storytelling, okay? So if you have a time lapse, for example, you want to speed things up, you can do that as well. That's why you do time lapse, right? So you shorten whatever you do to half an hour to within 8 seconds, for example. That's why you do time lapse. I'm a time lapse guy. I know all about speed things up, right? A sunset, a sunrise, for example. I try to speed things up to bring in the audience to my attention within those 8 seconds. Even though I was at that location for half an hour, even an hour. Do you need to speed things up? That's the question, okay? That's why you do time lapse. Check out my videos, yeah? There's a lot of stuff that is useful for you. If you could not add to the story, just cut it out. Full stop. The goal is to tell a story in your video, okay? Cut it out, you don't have to do anything, okay? Now do all your edits first to what you want, and okay. For example, let me fire up Lumafusion and always follow my touch, okay? The blue dot on your screen, that's where my touch will be, okay? Now I have this clip here of the train, but it's 11 seconds long, okay? So you can see 11 seconds right there, 11 seconds long, okay? That's too long for a video. So what I'm probably going to do to speed things up is just double tap on it and will bring you to this screen here. What you want to do to play with speed is go to this button here, down below here, okay? Speed and reverse, okay? That's where you do all your speed ramping. You know, do slow-mo, which I have another video somewhere up here. Somewhere up here if you want to check it out, or check out my playlist, okay? There's a lot of tutorial, okay, for you to enjoy. But for this video, we just want to do a speed up, okay? Speed ramping, speed up things up, okay? Right now it's roughly 12 seconds long. This clip here, right there, 12 seconds long. Now I could increase it to 6 times, okay? That's the maximum that Lumafusion can allow you to, okay? Now, and you look back here, 2 seconds, okay? 12 divided by 6, 2 seconds, okay? Let's play that. Okay, that's really fast, right? When you do that, right, you don't have any audio pitch, okay? There's no audio left, okay? But if you just add 2 times speed, so increase by twice, increase the speed by 2 times. For example, go back here. Okay. Now with 2 seconds, 2 times speed up, you can Lumafusion allow you to have audio as well. Okay, let me play that. Not the best, but it's there. But within 2 seconds, 2 times speed, there's audio attached to the speed up. The rest of the stuff are just too hard for the calculation, okay? So just play around with it, that's how you speed things up. And now it's welcome 6 seconds, it's more manageable right here. Right there, right? Becomes 6 seconds, from 12 to 6. And that's within the limit that we want to do. So for this clip here, basically it's just me go into the train and sit down. Okay, so let's play that again. So me walk into the train, sit down, 6 seconds. Okay, it tells a story that I'm on the train, but I don't want to let people see that hey, this guy walking on the train and sit down. Okay, that's 12 seconds long, but I can speed it up in half the time. Yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to do speed things up, speed ramping in Lumafusion. My name is Travis Chow, I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I make this content for you guys. Alright, I'll see you next time with another video.